Will your Social Security benefits continue to be taxed by the feds, by Uncle Sam? As of now, they still are. It looks likely that legislation will pass that will end that. But as of right now, it's just a proposal. We just have a bill. It's called the You Earned It, You Keep It, that says stop taxing Social Security. Will it pass? Well, it didn't pass in 2024. So is it more likely to pass now? It's much more likely to pass under this administration that's been very vocal. But will it start in 2026 and 2027? We have no idea. Right now, it is still just a proposal. People that are getting ready to start their Social Security right now, you have to pay taxes on it. 50% of Americans have to pay taxes. So if you don't want to be caught flat-footed with a surprise at tax time next year, should you have them withhold taxes from your Social Security benefit? If Social Security is your only income, no, you won't have to pay taxes, so you don't have to deal with withholdings. If you want to start a withholding, you can start or stop it or change it at any time. You get the IRS form W-4V. It's going to give you 4 options. You can have 7%, 10%, 12%, or 22% of your monthly benefit withheld to pay your potential federal taxes. So people are like, I don't know if I should do it. What if they stop taxing Social Security? Well, they will eventually refund you that money that they withheld. How quickly would that happen? You know the answer. It won't be quick, maybe 3 or 4 months, but they'll give you the money back. So people are wondering, should I do it since it's likely they will pass this legislation? All I can say is 90% of all legislation that is put forth, that is proposed, fails. Not to be negative, because I do think that this will pass. So should you go ahead and start a withholding? Maybe just do 7%. If you know that you will have to pay taxes on some would be 50%, or most would be 85%. So you can get my book, Medicare Mama's Guide to Medicare and Social Security. I'll go into factoring your combined income to see how much of your Social Security could potentially be taxed. And hopefully we won't have to deal with this in the future. And hopefully this legislation will pass soon and you can just stop your withholding. You can refile that Form W-4V at any time if you need to terminate a withholding. Hope you learned something today. If you did, you can help me out by hitting the subscribe. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.